I'll be unboxing the aespa My World Memory Collect book. This is the Karina version. Probably will be a quick unboxing. So it's like, it has 6 rings. Looks like we get some goodies. And you could put whatever aespa or K-pop related goodies into this album. So it's different from the usual collect books with pages that are just filled with clear plastic. These pages are just like photo albums made of paper, and you kind of just unwrap this and place whatever pictures or goods in here, and you could just like close it up like that. Let's go through what is included in the Memory Collect book. We have 4 different colors. I'm guessing you could insert it into these slots. What happens if I peel this off? Huh. And we have another choice of a, I guess, border, some lettering, stickers, and some more stickers over here. So we get 8 pages, and in the back is a photo card. Oh, let me show the spine too. I think I forgot to show that. Here's the Karina card.